Hey guys, I'm back with a couple unboxings. We've got Glisten Cosmetics today. This is the largest mystery box I could find. Each one of them has 11 products, I believe, and they were $44 each. It looked like they were on sale, or maybe that was the value of $100. I'm not 100% sure, but let's get into the first one. This is what it looks like when you open it. Okay, keep in mind I have not used any of their stuff before and I'm very excited. So let's see what we've got. A red Spectra eye paint. From what I understand is you can use these for basically anything. Face paint, for eyeliner, like an eyeshadow base. Ooh, we've got Spectral Lash in the pink one. Chroma Magic. This is in the shade, I believe it's called Sorcery. Let's see what color that is. Ooh, it is called Sorcery. And it's this really pretty, like, duochrome. It's like orange to red. Kind of hard to see. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. Also comes with one of their puffs, which I'm excited because I have not bought one yet. 2 brushes. Something in a pretty package. Let's see what that is. So these are their wet liners. It came in that little package. So we've got a red in Inferno. This one's Poison Berry. This one's a split. It's Strawberry Cheesecake. Raspberry Punch. And Pretty In. Alrighty. That's awesome for the first box. I'm excited for the second one. Wonder if we're gonna get different colors and different brushes maybe. If not, that's okay too. Number 2. Let's see what we get. Is it different? Okay. So off the bat, we've got the same puff, which is awesome. Always good to have 2. Looks like the same brushes, but it's okay. I like having multiple of the same. We have a blue mascara and a blue Spectra paint. Awesome. And another Chrome Magic. This one seems to be in the shade Eclipse. Let's see what that looks like. Ooh, that's pretty. This is it first applied. It's like icy white to blue. Shear it out. That's really pretty. And for a little package, what's in there? Wow, 5 more. Yay! Okay, so this one is Wizardry, Moss, Seltzer, Pottery, and Mint Chalk. I'm really excited. Well, I think these are worth it, to be honest, for the variety that you get. Yeah, that's all. Oh, actually, I had a package that I was way too impatient to open and I didn't get to film it. Sorry about that. It's from Blend Bunny, actually. I haven't used the palettes yet, so technically it's still an unboxing. I have not used anything from Blend Bunny before, so this was my first purchase for it. So I got this palette. It's a highlighter palette. Glisten, I think is how you say that. I don't know if the camera is going to pick it up all the way, but it is so pretty. And they were doing their final restock, so I had to do it. Then we have the Machina palette. This is the inside. The last one, I have been waiting to get this palette for so long. How gorgeous. Ah! It's a large palette, so I don't know if you can see the twinkles in the middle, but they're so pretty in person. Oh my goodness. Yep, so that's all for my unboxings. If you want to see more of these, let me know. Bye!